Okay, I got about half an hour. Let's see here. If I can get that traverse to work, that'd be a nice thing to do. Okay. Now, I did a coroutine, and I sent it back into here using on event. On init event. Where's the on init event? On init battle. State. Input handler init. Initiate board handler. So the board. So this is how I could run it when it's done. And I'll just send an event over. Right? When I select something, the animation needs to be done. So it can't just be when I push it. The animation needs to finish. So I could do move complete. Something like that. Private interface object. I still don't know if I really need to have those object sender things. I could do an enumerator complete. Coroutine complete handler. I could probably use that in all sorts of places when I'm sending coroutines over. It could be animations, it could be anything, UI animations. So that could be good. Right, and then what I'll do is I'll do a void on coroutine. See, I could even set it up so init I could actually switch it out. Init board handler is a coroutine, and I could, yeah, that's cool. On coroutine complete handler object sender info args. And I'll just do it int for now. That like that. Boop. Okay. Now up here there's going to be more protected virtual. And what I'll do is I'll just grab on coroutine complete handler, and I'll call it on coroutine complete handler. It will be an int, not an interface. An int I. Okay, it wants it to be minuscule. Okay, now var handler state machine current state machine.current state as if handle equals not on on coroutine complete event here, sorry, right here like this, and sender, and it will be the I. Okay, and then this is complaining about something. Let me go see something here. 2 references. Yeah. Okay, I have that. Why is it complaining about this one not existing? On, oh, event. Derp. There. Okay. And I need to add it to the watch list. And that's going to come from they can come from a lot of places. But in this case, it's going to come from movement. And movement is what? Is it mono behavior? I could change it to movement view, but yeah. So maybe coroutine is not really the best one. I should really just call it on movement complete. I think that's what I'm going to do. On movement complete. Eye movement complete. Movement complete, movement complete. And what is it complaining as? Oh, interface. On movement complete. On movement complete. Swear to God, adding one of these things is so many things to add. Okay, what is it complaining about up here? On movement complete event. Very good. Plus equals. What we'll do is we'll do movement dot movement complete event. There. And what's it complaining about down here? Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I had it in the board view before. Let me go see how the board view is set up. I have a static event handler. So we'll go into movement. That's kind of before the start, basically. Movement. Awake. I'm going to call that movement event, right? And it's going to be an int. Now what's it complaining about here? Okay, just need to add that. Save that. Now, I just want to see the board. Init events. That's good. Let's see where I do use that down here. All I do is one of these. essentially. So in the movement, I'll do one of those. I'm going to do this here. That's not where that goes, but I'll put that there for now. And I'm going to call it on movement. No, wait. Movement complete event. Just going to make sure that's correctly typed. I'll copy it over. I should call it movement complete event. Complete event. It's going to be an int I. Okay, good. Good. Now let's go see. This is all good. This is all good. So what I want to do is when I'm in the move sequence, I'm going to start the coroutine, right? But down here, when that event is sent over, all I want to do is change the state. So the way I did it before was init complete. Let me go see the init. Init. On in, okay, on in, okay, right here. So this, move sequence state. On movement complete event or handler. Shit, I don't know now. Event. On movement complete event. And I. Good. This could send in a point, and it could send me the actual point where it ends, maybe. As if it ends halfway, but I don't want the visualizer to send over critical data like that. But yeah. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to do state machine. And we're going to go to select unit state after that. It's already like that. Okay. That's good. On movement complete. On movement complete event. Yeah, that works. I'm a little surprised because I did not implement this. And I feel like I should have. It's still new, kind of weird. Okay, and what else? What else? We need to make it start the sequence. So how did I do that with the init? I didn't do that on the init. I go in, I don't do a damn thing. Should I send another event? I'll have to see how I do that. I could receive from mono behavior, but I didn't do it so that I could send the movement. I don't need this anymore. Curious. game. Game view. This has one reference from itself. Temp single player, yeah. Container. Well, I don't do it there. I think the button. No. One reference. Change turn button view. Game view system. Changing a view. Enumerator. You see here? Game and the game data. Game aspect data system. When does this get called? In itself. Here on prepare change turn. Yeah, it goes through the action system. And the move should go through the action system because it is a move. Moving is an action. And moving should go through the action system. This might be more of a pain than I'm thinking. Again, it has to do with merging different systems together. And now that I'm seeing it like this, I am convinced that I need to put the move in the action system when I'm performing that action. Maybe even each tile should be its own action, but I'm not going to do that now unless I find that it's simple when I'm figuring this out. On prepare change turn. That is an observer. And this most definitely uses a aspect container. Change turn action. It's an action. Moving will need to be an action. Public class, change turn action, game action. Target player index, right? Who is the doing it? Change turn action. Oh, this will be fun. This will take more than half an hour. Okay. Curious now. Let's go see what game action does. A game action. Basically, a game action is everything. You could do like attack, walk, jump, heal, and anything you could do is a game action. Receive damage, get damage. And this is a, yeah. ID, prepare a new phase. On prepare keyframe. On perform keyframe. on cancel keyframe. On prepare iContainer game. Wow, it sends it straight to the game. See, this is why everything goes through the game. var notification name global dot prepare notification this game dot post notification. Okay, this is going to be fun, but you know, again, it's about getting the strong foundation, because all this stuff is like main core functionality, and the move, actually moving, like giving an order of some sort, is a main game action. And this is the first one so far, so I need to figure this out so I know how to put these in correctly. Right? So movement needs to be a game action. Now it is a mono behavior. Change turn button view, change turn view. I should maybe have a movement view. Maybe. This is a mono behavior. This is the movement. And is it, the movement is but movement also has logic. So part of this will need to be in the logic, or the data side, and then the logic, and then just the viewer will need to be its own thing. And yeah. Change turn view. Bool can change turn. Public void change turn button pressed. See, when you send a button pressed to change the turn, it's going to send into the match system, and the match system has a function for change turn. Match system change turn, and the match system is observing change turn actions. Interesting. Even if you directly do plug it in, as we're directly plugging it here, we're grabbing it specifically. It's also listening to change turn actions on perform. That's after it goes into the action. So on change turn, I get the match, I change that, and then I change turn next index. Change turn next index. Index and container, and I do a perform action. New change turn action. Index and a change turn action in target player index, and it'll do a this dot target player index equals target player index. This, oh, up here, target player index will become, oh shit, I lost my match system. Can I go back? Yes, cool. Yeah, so it'll just do the action, and it'll perform, the container will perform the action. That's in the action system. Yeah, you see? Perform the action. iContainer.game, and it goes through the whole thing. This is a cool thing here. Did I hear something? I better go see if my food is here.